Hey, Robert Farrell here. I've been in the online trenches for 25 years. I know all about niche websites and how to earn online the right way. Now, since you have to be watching a fitness video on a fitness video channel on YouTube, I thought perhaps you'd like to enjoy having your own fitness website, completely turnkey, just like my student Becky. Here's Becky's website. She basically built this in a matter of minutes and then added her own content using my back-end software from YouTube. Becky earns money by offering products from Walmart, Best Buy, Amazon, etc., etc. So I will share with you how to do this one step at a time, and it's absolutely free. Now, there is a bit of a catch. You have to share me on social media, and when you actually register your domain name in the site, everything comes with it. Domain names, hosting, everything else you need. There is a $5 registration fee, but it's normally a $299 website. Now, between you and me, Becky actually paid $299 for a website. So I'm making this offer a limited time only. Click the banner right here, go to my website, and two things will happen. You share me on social media, you'll get a free website for the next 2 years, normally $299 per year. You'll get it for the next 2 years free. There's a $5 registration fee. In addition to that, before you sign up for anything, watch my How to Earn $200 a Day with my complete roadmap to earning online with your fitness video. Thanks again for being here. My name is Robert Farrell. I can assure you that nothing happens if you choose to do nothing. Stay home, stay safe. Carpe Diem 2020.